Hey beauties, I am here today with another tutorial. So y'all know I like to do cute things for my kiddos, and I am doing something extra extravagant as I am for Easter. So all you gotta do is go down to your local Dollar Tree and get a basket. About 13 of these, and they're the microfiber dust mop pads and a pool noodle. Now, my store did not have white, but white is going to be the best one to get because, as you'll see with my first one that I did, I got an orange pool noodle and I just painted it a little bit white so it wouldn't be like bam. You can also just get more dust pads, but of course that's going to be more money. So I had a difficult time trying to find all of these. So I literally got about 40, and because I'm making 3 different Easter baskets. So one for my son, and yes, he's 24 and he gets the Easter basket every year. My daughter Chloe, and then my grandbaby Cadence. So with that being said, let's get into this tutorial. Oh, I'm sorry guys. And the last thing you're gonna need is the cute headband, which as you see, you just cut it off and paste it on there. That is going to be our final look. So again, let's get into it. Okay guys, so what you are going to need for this is some zip ties. I did get these from Walmart. I will drop the link below for you to get these. You are also going to need a glue gun. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. It was literally like $2.99. And then a pack of glue sticks. So the first thing we're gonna do is take this. You see this here on the, make sure that's even because it looks better that way once you actually glue your little bunny ears on. So I'm gonna take the zip ties. So make sure you pull those as tight as you can and then cut off your excess. And just cut that off. My zip ties were actually too small to go around this one time. So I interlocked 2 together and did it that way. That's why I have 2 ends to clip. All right, so you're gonna take this. It worked really well for me to do it on the side or lay it on the side. So I'm just gonna take my glue gun. And you want to move fairly fast so that it'll stick. And as you see, just holding it down. All right, guys. Full circle. Next, you are going to take your mop pads and glue them around this. One of the great things about this is that this one is actually my son's. So the fact that it's blue, you don't have to paint it, but, or, anything like that if you don't want to. But, to each his own. All right, guys, so this is almost a finished product. And so I'm going to show you what the back looks like with the blue. So if you don't paint it or find a white pool noodle, this is what the back is going to look like. Again, you can purchase extra mop dusters to cover the inside. You can paint it white like I did with this one here. But for your final step, take the bunny ears and you just cut those off. Gonna take your glue. All right, guys, so there's an example of both baskets. Of course, you can put in them what you want. This one does have grass in it already, pink grass in there. And then I did get them life-size Easter bunnies to go in them as well. This one doesn't have any grass in it yet, but yep. Like I said, just you can make them your own. Do with them what you will. I did have some extra stuff left, so I did go ahead and, as you see, glue that shut. So, on both. So, all right, guys. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And as always, love you. Bye.